In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom maps app with Airtable. By the end, you'll have an interactive map that pulls live data from your Airtable, making it easy to visualize locations like stores, events, projects, or clients. Start by heading to airtable.com and signing in. From your workspace, open the app or base that already contains your location data. A quick tip before we add the map. Make sure your table has either a clean address field or latitude and longitude fields. Consistent, well-formatted data leads to accurate pins and smoother setup. Once your app is open, look along the top menu and open the Tools menu. From there, choose Extensions. Extensions are add-ons that expand what Airtable can do right inside your base, and the map extension is perfect for location viewing. In the Extensions panel, click Add an Extension. In the search bar, type Map, then select the map extension from the results. Click Add Extension to install it into your app. When the panel opens, click Get Started to begin configuring it. To power your map, you'll need a Google API key. This key enables the map tiles, and if you choose geocoding to turn addresses into coordinates. Create the key in the Google Cloud Console, enable the relevant map services, and restrict the key to your domain or specific referrers for security. Never share this key publicly. Google may charge for usage, so it's wise to set budgets or quotas before you proceed. Back in Airtable, paste your API key when prompted. You'll then choose which table the map should read from and which field contains your location information. If you're using addresses, pick that address field. If you maintain latitude and longitude, select those fields instead. Clean addresses, consistent country or state formats, and one address per record will give you the best results. Give the map a moment to load, then confirm you can see your pins. If nothing appears, double-check the selected view, filters, and field mapping. You can usually customize how records display on click, adjust the default center and zoom, and even color code pins based on a single select field for quick visual grouping. From here, your map updates automatically as your Airtable records change. Rename the extension panel so teammates recognize it, and make sure collaborators have the right permissions to view the table it relies on. That's it. Your custom Maps app is live and connected to your Airtable data.